Hello again. Well, my covers finally came. I can finish my appearance package. I put in those lights before. It's been 3 months to get the covers that are going to go right here and right there. Took 3 months to get this thing. Really irritating. And so here, these are going to go, let's see, where does this go? Right there. And the other one will go on the other side. So let's see how we can do that. Pretty simple. Ta-da! Okay. Looks good. Well, it took 3 months to get the engine cover, the little side engine covers, and the lights to complete the appearance package. Did everything with factory parts, I think, and since I bought it used, kind of had to do that. But I like it. I think it looks cool.